Welcome to the Romex instruction video for Rompox Jointing Sand NP and Rompox D7000. We show you step by step how to apply the product professionally to achieve an optimal result. Rompox Jointing Sand NP is a weed-inhibiting, water-permeable jointing sand made of mainly natural raw materials, which becomes solid after activation by water. It is easy and quick to install and is ideal for narrow joints between 1 and 5 mm. Rompox Jointing Sand NP can be used on almost all surfaces around the house and in public areas such as car parks and walkways. It is ideal for jointing interlocking paving stones. On contact with water, the jointing sand becomes pliable so that any settlement cracks can be smoothed out and removed with a pointing key or tuck pointer. For jointing at the level of a mortar, Jointing Sand NP can be permanently stabilized with Rompox D7000. To apply the jointing sand, you will need a garden hose with a sprayer, a shovel, a fine hair broom and, if necessary, a rubber squeegee, a vibrating plate and a leaf blower. To apply D7000 you will need a pressure sprayer or watering can and a rubber squeegee. We recommend the use of impervious and durable protective gloves during application. Important: for best results, you must first remove all roots and organic matter from the joints to prevent weeds from growing back into the substrate. Before starting work, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. Open the bag of Rompox Jointing Sand NP. Pour the contents onto the surface to be jointed. The surface should be dry and free of dirt. First, mix the jointing sand with a shovel. Then carefully work it into the joints with a fine hair broom or rubber squeegee. Always work diagonally to the joints so that they are optimally filled. The Rompox Jointing Sand NP should be flush with the upper edge of the stone or the chamfer. Once the joints are filled, sweep the surface carefully with a hair broom until it is free of all sand residues. A leaf blower is even better for cleaning. When laying new surfaces, you must recompact the entire surface using a vibratory plate after filling the joints for the first time. Subsequently, fill up any joints that have subsided and then clean the surface as described above. Now activate the jointing sand with water. Wet the joints thoroughly with a soft shower jet. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times until the jointing sand is saturated with water over its entire depth. Start at the lowest point of the surface and work in small sections. You can check the complete saturation by lifting the joint material with a suitable tool. Use Rompox D7000 for permanent stabilization of the jointing sand. This can be done immediately after wetting or at a later date. The best way to do this is to pour Rompox D7000 from the can into a pressure sprayer. Then spread the liquid evenly over the surface and pull it off over the joints with a rubber squeegee. Alternatively, Rompox D7000 can be applied directly from the can or with a watering can. Excess liquid, for example in recesses in non-absorbent stones, should be removed immediately with a wet sponge or towel. After approximately 15 minutes, Rompox D7000 is completely absorbed. The jointing is now professionally finished. Rompox Jointing Sand NP is suitable as an unbound joint sealant for traffic loads and meets all the requirements of the AGBB scheme, as tested by the Eco Institute in Cologne. In combination with Rompox D7000, durable joints can be achieved with joint widths of less than 3 mm. Rompox Jointing Sand NP plus Rompox D7000. The solution for professionals.